introduce Sam. We're here at Boeing and we have a special guest, my best friend Trina. Hi! And so, what we're doing here at Boeing is we are going to be making some bottle rockets. And so, we have our bottles right here. Scissors, string, and tape are provided. So Trina, you ready to get ready?
Yes.
Let's go. Now what came in our bag was this pair, and this is gonna be the parachute. This is the nose cone for the tip of it, or the bottom if you want. This and the 4 fins. Now, are you ready to start building, Trina?
Yeah.
Yeah! Alright. So now, Trina, this is gonna be the top of it, got it?
Yes.
So we're gonna want to put the fins this way. And now we need tape to do that, obviously. And I already got this right here. Alright, so now, okay, so I got my fin on. It took forever, but it's 1 out of 4.
We got our fins on. We are going to need 4 equal strings for the parachute.
Yep. Now we're gonna attach the string to the parachute. Alright, so now that we got our parachute tied together with the strings, now we are going to tape it onto the rocket right here. Rocket right here. It looks very interesting.
Okay. So this part was for like the directions. So like at first, if it didn't have any of these beams, it would just go all slowly and slow.
You know what?
If it does,
I got a little tiger.
it corrects it, so it just moves.
Yeah, it's really interesting. That's some pretty snazzy tape. Customization, I like it. I customized mine too with my name and the website. That is a really cool rocket. You making it home?
Yes, I made it with my dad at my house.
This one was made here versus home. Take a look. Mine's on bits out of shape and yours is on. So yeah.